Which countries are most at risk? We've got a detailed report, and the results just might include you.
You must be wondering how it might just include you. But yes, the rising seas is right at your doorstep. I'm on a journey to tell you just how real that is. This is Diani, a small tourism town in the south coast of Kenya, and this is the story of the sinking Robinson Islands.
Good morning, Happy New Year. I'm excited. This is the first video I'm shooting in 2023, and it's kind of so exciting to shoot this. So today we are doing one of the things I've always wanted to do in my life, and I'm going in one of the most sacred highlands in Kenya. It's at the Indian Ocean. As you can see, that is my boat coming over there. I wasn't ready for this, but I have to do it anyway, so I'm just walking right on the boat. Tell me how your year has been like. How is it so far? Is it good? Is it so traumatizing? So this is the moment, guys, moment of truth. Just kind of, I wasn't ready for this, and that is why you see I didn't even put on my short today.
And as I get into the boat to start this solemn journey, I can't fail to notice the shrinking beach right in front of my eyes. Locals here say they're used to that.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm on top of a boat alone in the middle of the ocean, and as you can see right all across is a big wave of water. It's just endless water. You can't even see where the end is. This is part of me seeking discomfort and just kind of trying to confront my deepest fears. All around is water. It's a good feeling. I'm on top of this boat all alone in the middle of the ocean. This is the Indian Ocean. An endless stretch of water all across me, right behind me. On the other side, from a distance, we can see the island where we are going to. It's called the Robinson Island.
Think about it. Nature is our mother. Nature has given us all this beauty, and we have that responsibility to protect and preserve all this. But nature can be overwhelmed. Think about the millions and millions of industries across the world emitting carbon dioxide. Think about the damage that causes on the ozone and the impact it has on our rising seas. Have we become that heartless? Have humans become so reckless? Think about that.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment of truth is... So when I got here, I thought this place was such a big place, but getting here, it's not as big as people think it is. Welcome to the Robinson Sandbath. It's not even an island. And the funny bit of it is that when the tides are so high, this island is going to be covered by water in the next 2 hours. So we have to do so fast as possible to make sure that we are not covered by water when the tides finally come and cover this place in the next 2 hours.
I was later told that this small piece of land wasn't as small as it looked like today. The shrinking island was once a long and large stretch of piece of bare and dry land covering over 2 miles. This is a place where sailors would come and relax and get some fresh air and sunbaths. Ever rising seas due to climate change, the land has since been swallowed by water, leaving a thin trail of sand spots. It is sad to imagine that even the remaining dry land could be swallowed in the coming years. Now I'm left to imagine where boats such as this one, full of enthusiastic young men and women, will come to relax their minds and sunbathe when this gem is eventually swallowed wholly by the greedy waters. The Robinson Islands houses a rare breed of fish. This has prompted the Kenyan government to declare this spot no fishing ground. Every time a tourist boat docks here, the captains go in water to feed this rare and very exotic breed of fish. One watches in awe as the colored fish scramble for the tiny pieces of bread thrown at them by the captains.
So the guys just fed the fish and now we are speeding in to go right into this highland.
Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, baby, yeah, I only want you, yeah, 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 yeah.
It's always so timely to come here at noon or when the water recedes inside the sea at around 2 p.m. in the evening. There are not so much of activities that are taking place over here. It's just sunbathing and getting to feel how good the sun is and feeling the sand down below your feet. The sand down here is so soft, so nice to feel. This place is just so heavenly. I'm standing here and this place feels like home. Somebody asked me, where is home? Home is anywhere where your heart is at peace and you're home. So I'm right at home, right here, and it's so enjoyable to feel the sea swelling right behind me and to feel the water just sweeping my foot.
And as I talked about home, I remember 8-year-old Towati Tabo, a resident of Kiribati Islands, whose house was destroyed by rising sea waters. As the coastline walls her father built are fading, her heart is breaking. She may be forced to leave home, maybe forever. Towati Tabo's story is just the tip of the iceberg. I imagine thousands of children in Tuvalu who risk losing the place they've known as home. The people of the Philippine Islands whose culture may be distorted forever. I thought of the smiles and cheers of all those wonderful people. The smiles that may fade away, never to be seen again. These people risk losing the climate change refugees. What could be more painful than that?
We'll continue to fight until there is no breath in us.
There is a local belief among locals here that when God was creating the earth, he ran out of land. So he brought a piece of heaven and put it here and called it the Robinson Islands. Sadly, this tiny heaven is gradually being swallowed by the sea. I wonder what God must be thinking. And even though they may be on the front line going down first, it will reach all of us right at the end. See you in the next video for amazing content like this one.